Yo, apart from bro when I ain't had bread, me I didn't hear from no one. I span that block on my pedal bike, and I didn't see no one. I was linking fucks and dogging them out and hanging up cars like hold on. Kinda weird, I missed that life, right, but it feels so wrong. Got paid but I had to stretch it, now I'm posted up trying to get it. She like, why you heartless? These hoes won't even get it. I got mad and I wanted to pull man up. If bros on go, don't tempt me. Don't even step with man if you're gonna explain to me why you left me. I was beefing guys that ain't got funds. Your line is slow, don't claim you shot. Dress code black is summer, same tracksuit, yo, man's not hot. Couldn't even book no hotel, told my yeah that I know one spot. Fed on the block, let's relocate if shit gets hot.
Shit, what you saying though, man? I don't hear from you no more, bro. You good? Man, check on man, fam. Just been on the block, man. Doing my thing. You know how it is, bro.
Apart from bro when I ain't had bread, me I didn't hear from no one. I span that block on my pedal bike, and I didn't see no one. I was linking fucks and dogging them out and hanging up cars like hold on. Kinda weird, I missed that life, right, but it feels so wrong. Yo, shouted K like yo bro bleach it. At home debating the repercussions, yo fuck that I'm leaving. Ran man down in the daylight, probably like one zoot in the evening. Man always say real, recognize real, really what is the meaning? Car when bread's involved, them guys you're tight with moving different. Mumsy didn't expect this life from me when I was an infant. She saying I'm nonchalant, I'm glad you know how to listen. My neck went green back then, but now the VVs glisten. Apart from bro when I ain't had bread, me I didn't hear from no one. I span that block on my pedal bike, and I didn't see no one. I was linking fucks and dogging them out and hanging up cars like hold on. Kinda weird, I missed that life, right, but it feels so wrong. Apart from bro when I ain't had bread, me I didn't hear from no one. I span that block on my pedal bike, and I didn't see no one. I was linking fucks and dogging them out and hanging up cars like hold on. Kinda weird, I missed that life, right, but it feels so wrong.
Hear the thunder, bring the rage. There's a rumble in the cage. Feel the trouble, hit the game. It's the final countdown. Oh, it's the new age. Ain't gon' let nobody cross me now. It's gon' take a lot to slow me down. From the rubble we gon' crush them out. We gon' show them what it's all about. Victorious, it's made for us. Victorious, leave them in the dust. Victorious, it's made for us. Victorious, leave them in the dust. Victorious. We the heroes and the gents. Let your fear go, be the best. Like a sequel to the quest. This is what we live for, oh, undefeated. Take your mark, we're gonna set this off. Echo ringing from the parking lot. Place your bet and kick it up a notch. Time to give it everything we got. Victorious, it's made for us. Victorious, leave them in the dust. Victorious, it's made for us. Victorious, leave them in the dust. Victorious. Victorious, it's made for us. Victorious, leave them in the dust. Victorious, it's made for us. Victorious, leave them
waiting for this all my life. I feel it in my veins, feel it in my blood. You know I can't stop till I'm good and done. I'm gonna push it harder, gonna climb up higher. It's like I just can't miss. I was made for this. I show the world I'm stronger. Prove it to 'em I'm a fighter. I can't help but win. I was made for this. I was made for this. I was made for this. You're gonna find out you can't hold me down. You see I'm the king, 'cause I got that crown. Oh, you could try your best to step in my ring. Oh, but I'll just knock you dead like it wasn't a thing. I'm gonna push it harder, gonna climb up higher. It's like I just